Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas and I'm the day trader. It's lovely to be with you once again. Hope you'll all join me every morning, every evening. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real money, my real portfolio. Let's get straight over now into the live portfolio. Here we are right now. On the hour, we are down 0.08. This is a value of now $45,000. This is my actual money, my actual trades. If it's your very first time here on TikTok, click follow and also like the video. Tap on the screen as fast as you can. If you're watching on YouTube, which is the home of my day trader, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Right, let's get straight into the trades without further ado. Here we go. We're live in the trades now. Here we are. This is my live position right now, and we're just about to start the day. The pre-market on Robinhood starts in 22 minutes from now. So let's first of all bring in the ticker. So we've got the live ticker updates on the screen. Here we go. Here's the live ticker coming in now. There it is. That will give you the live breaking prices. Let me just refresh that screen. There it is. Fantastic. There is the live prices on the screen as they come in around the world from our most popular stocks that we discuss here on the show. All right, let's go straight now into my live trades, live positions. Here we are now. The balance is 45,000. We're down on the day 0.17. We've got several positions in play. We've got subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. Just click on that and give us a thumbs up as well. Let's get up to a record number of likes today. That'd be absolutely awesome, wouldn't it? The record is 53, by the way. And thanks ever so much everyone who follows me on TikTok. We've now got 10,100 followers. So thanks to all of you for following me on TikTok. I can't thank you enough. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. All right, let's have a look right now. We are going into our first trades. We've got Tesla this morning is doing well on the news of TLO. Of course, we've heard about that. Very excited about that news. They've now just done a deal to supply them with their raw parts for their batteries. Very, very good news, that is. So we're very excited about that. We'll see how that pans out. That could affect the stock price today in an upward momentum. So very excited about that. We've also got several plays in play. Oh, WEBULL is here. Good luck to you on your jury service. There's WEBULL and here's Bill from Canada. Bill from Canada, a veteran. And WEBULL is an entertainer and a trader from the United Kingdom. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for being here this morning. All right. Let's get straight into it. We've got Dave Mottram. Has Martin got issues again? No, Dave, I'm here now. How are you? Welcome into the live show. Come back into the chat. I was a minute late this morning. I'm trying to change things for the better, and it's actually not working out. I'm going to go back to doing things I was a little while ago. So there you go. I have a morning routine. I get out of bed, I shower, I dress, get sorted, get in the studio. I reversed it round to start my early show, so I'll get the studio going and then shower and dress. And it throws me off. I don't like how it's going at the moment, so I might have to reverse how I do things. All right, anyway, you don't need to know that, right? But anyway, right. So Tesla, we're looking for a move today. SPCE also, let's look at this. SPCE, yesterday I bought 100 at 11.95. So I have a profit. I have a profit right now in Virgin Galactic, so I could sell some Virgin Galactic if I wanted to. There is a small profit, not much. Nothing happening in court today, so he's back home trading. Good for you, mate. What about Rivian? Rivian 79. At 79.21, 10 shares of that. That's just down, so that isn't in profit yet. I've still got some money in my buying power, should we get any serious dips, but there we go. So not too bad. Got a few things lined up. That's just me doing a test on the screen. If you saw that there, that's if you become a member live in the show, your name will pop up like that. So I just tested that. Right. We're also looking at SPCE. There we go. That's all working. Good stuff. Everything's working lovely this morning. We had a few issues yesterday, and it does seem that there are some issues with Restream, and there are a few issues with YouTube. I've not had my updates from my analytics now for 3 days on YouTube, so there are some glitches on the outside of my system. If you tap the screen on TikTok, I'll call your name out. Who have we got there? Is it Funny? Cheers. So you said cheers. Good morning to you. Tap the screen, your name highlights, and I can call your name out. And if I miss it, just remind me, and I want to call everybody's names out on TikTok. TikTok, I've got 10,000 followers now. 10,100. What charts are you using? I've got several. Let me share with you. Okay, first of all, this is my WEBULL account. If you're over on YouTube, I can't share my links to you on TikTok. You need to be on YouTube. But if you come and join me on YouTube, I will actually give you some free stocks. Brokerages pay me to promote them. So what I do is I give you what they give me. I like to give back. So it's just the way we work. If you want to join me on YouTube, if you're on TikTok, just click the profile and the little icon in the top left-hand corner and come into YouTube, and you'll see see what I'm doing, and you get a better view as well. Because what I'm doing here, I'm filming my screen on my phone. It's much better on YouTube. I can broadcast through my studio. So that's my WEBULL account. This is my COINBASE account, very small. Even smaller still is eTORO. So my actual main portfolio is Robinhood. This is my Robinhood account. This is my main one. And these are all my stocks and shares, which I can share with you here. Let me share with you all what I've got here. We're just 15 minutes away now. Let's bring up the timer. 44.5 minutes. So we got 30 seconds now, and I'll bring up the 15-minute timer for the opening bell. Get ready for it. I'm sharing with you on TikTok the list of all my stocks right now. Here we go. There you go. There's all my stocks. Scrolling down for you. I hope you can see those. Tesla, Rivian, SPCE, GGPI, Lucid, Hood. Okay, we're coming up to the 15 minutes now. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off. 15 minutes. Here we go. PayPal, Immersion, Harp, On, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, Apple, Johnson & Johnson, Google. We now move down to my ETFs, ARK Invest, a lot of ETFs here in technologies, future technologies. And then we move down to my dividend stocks, some new stocks I just brought in, and then my crypto is Ethereum and Bitcoin. Huge pump last night, 8% on Doge. I do have some Doge and I do have some Ethereum Classic, but it's because it was donated to the show. It's not actually my main investments. My main investments are Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's what I invest in. So there you go. There's a little rundown of all my stocks and shares there. Right, we're just under 15 minutes to go now. I hope that answers your question. AFC Energy, worth a look at. Chart AFC. Okay, I'll have a look at it for you. AFC. Is it on Robinhood? AFC Gamma. Let's have a look. You just recommended this. This is Padzart. Let's have a look. AFC Gamma. Let's have a look at it. AFC Gamma provides commercial real estate finance services. Let's scroll up. Engages in originating, structuring, underwriting, and managing senior secured loans. Let's pan out and let's have a look at it. Let's see what it's done. Okay, It IPO'd in March 21, so it's just coming up to a year old. It popped up, did the usual thing, dropped back, and then it climbed again. So, okay, that's very volatile, that is. That's very, very volatile by the looks of things. It could be. It's very interesting from a day trading standpoint. You're absolutely right. So that's pretty cool. So we put that on the watch list. AFC Gamma. All right, we'll put that on the watch. Add to list. I'll add to list for research. New ideas. There you go. We'll come back and research AFC Gamma. If you join us on YouTube, you can be part of our main trading family, and you can talk to all my traders. All my serious traders are on YouTube. The link is behind the profile. Okay. Thanks for sharing that with us. Right. Great stuff. Let's get back now. We've only got just over 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. If you've just joined us on YouTube, smash the like button and give us a thumbs up. There's the thumbs up button. Thank you very much indeed. If you're over there on TikTok, we appreciate you as well. Thanks for the love and the follow. We appreciate that. Time for a quick cup of tea. Hang on a minute. Awesome. Always got to start the day with a cup of tea. It's very, very important, that is. Very, very important. Alan Paint is here. Good morning to you. The Beetle Sean is here. The Beetle Sean is one of our new members. Let's have a look. Where is he? Let me bring up the bronze ticker. Here we go. These are all the bronze members. We've got bronze, silver and gold. And we've also now got sponsorship level as well. If you want to sponsor the 24/7 show. Over on TikTok, thank you all very much indeed. How do I buy crypto anonymously? You can't buy crypto anonymously. Everybody who buys crypto is on the ledger. That's the purpose of it. That's why it's so secure, and that's why it's the future of digital currency. So you can't buy it anonymously, and why would you want to? Why would you want to? The purpose of crypto is to bring a market to the world that is safe and secure for everyone to use. Right, the Beatles, Sean. You're going to come up on the screen now. We got Alicia and Paddy. These are our bronze members. They get lots of extra benefits, of course. All the members get special privileges. And Mike 166A. And here he is. Here is the Beetle Sean live on the screen now from the UK. There he is. Let's bring Hey Beatles and let's bring Alan Pate. If you're not yet a member and you don't get one of like 20 perks and benefits that make you actually so much more involved in the show, why are you not a member? Here's the invitation to become a member. Check out all the perks. There are lots and lots of perks that make it really worthwhile. Here are some of the perks for you. Just a few. You get happy birthday. I sing to you live on the show from my piano if you're a bronze member. Weekly email newsletters, pre-IPOs, members only live chats, members only live videos. So very, very special stuff there. If you're a silver member, you can also be you can also promote your YouTube channel. I also put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. That's phenomenal. You get lots of new subscribers and followers if you're on TikTok. Absolutely awesome. Gold members get one-on-one tuition to help build the YouTube channel or a TikTok channel or build any online business, any tech support. I offer you that as well as a member. Many, many features. Plus discounts into the shop and free cash giveaways as well. We give away cash. On Fridays, we give away free money in the show. We absolutely do. We give free money away in the show. I'm working on the membership. Alan Paint is working on it. Nice one. I wonder what it'll go for. Read the perks, and some of the cash giveaways are not part of the official perks. They're something I just do for you. All right, there's something I just do for you. I'm having issues with YouTube cutting out and freezing. Yeah, we are having a few issues. YouTube has been throwing up some issues the last few days. There are some issues with YouTube. It's beyond my control, I'm afraid. It's just been happening the last few days. And it is actually beyond my control. There's nothing I can do about it, I'm afraid. I'm going to try a couple of things. Let me see if... Let me just try a couple of things, all right? See if this fixes the problem. All right, we're back in the hot seat now. I'm going to see if that fixes the problem. It might not, I don't know. I'm just trying something right now. But I know there's a lot of stuff going on beyond my control, so I'm not sure what I can do about that. Anyway, we've got 8 minutes to go before the pre-market starts. Very, very exciting. Mark Korn has just joined me. Hey all, I'm in the background with them. Oh, I'm terribly sorry. I'm in the background with a migraine. Oh, we're so sorry for you, mate. That's tough. Hope it gets better soon. Yes, indeed. Nothing worse than the bloody migraine, is there? Absolutely bloody awful. Sorry to hear that. There you go. There's Mark Korn, one of our members. Let's bring in our silver members now. We've got a few members actually upgraded overnight for some extra benefits. So there we go. Let's bring our silver members in. There we go. And Mark is currently like an audio version of strobe light. Is it working better now? Can you tell me now if it's any better now? Congratulations with the headache, Mark. Congratulations. Hope it gets better. No, thanks, Dave. It's a winner. Brilliant. Don't know what caused it, but I'm sure it'll go soon. Oh dear, oh dear. Can anyone tell me if the stream is better now? Vodka works well. Yeah, totally agree. Vodka always works well. There we go. If you become a member during the live show, hey, did you see what happened last night? Some of you missed this. First of all, we've got the mugs going out today. We've got some of you won mugs. There was Bill won a black mug, Queen won a black mug, Robert Durant, Mike, and Martin Reddin all won black mugs. Some of you that are here in the stream actually won the mug, but you wasn't here, so we went on. So there we go. Right, that's our silver members. We've now got some gold members now. Oh yeah, look at this. Absolutely fantastic. We now have 3 gold members that featured on my YouTube channel. They get one-on-one tuition for their own websites. Great. All sorts of great stuff. Look at this. 3 gold members now. Muzanella, The Vapors Guide, and New York Man. Now, we're only a week away now from some of you getting automatic upgrades. As you are a member for the first month, you will notice your badge changes color, and you will be a super posh member of the channel. Right, Rivian, we're hoping for some positions this morning. We've got a few positions lined up. We're trying to sell this morning. SPCE 11.95. Let me show you where we are now. 11.95. I've got a small profit in it. I might be tempted to take it. Hood, I've got 80 shares. 80 shares at 15.05. So there's a profit in Hood. Don't tell me you can't make a profit in Hood. You can if you trade it. You have to trade it right now. With markets like this, the only way you make money is trading. You absolutely have to trade. It's vital, absolutely vital that you trade. Okay, right. I just want to do things privately, that's all. Well, you could do things privately, but so if you buy crypto, Dan78, everybody will know. Well, no, it's not everybody knows. I don't know. Nobody really knows unless they go and look. But yeah, you have to. All crypto is purchased on a ledger. You know, it's on the blockchain, so it's all traceable. It's there for the benefit of all. But you know, it's still private. Unless you're trying to do something criminal, then it shouldn't concern you. Did I win? I wasn't here. Bloody jury service. Believer Bubble. Yeah, I think you did. I think Believer Bubble did win, actually. There you go. Mike's here. Mike won. Yeah, you did win, Bubble. Yeah. But on Friday, it's the cash giveaway. On Friday, we're doing the cash giveaway. You voted and said to me you wanted it every Friday. So every Friday here on YouTube, you have to be a member on YouTube. You get the cash giveaway. So if you are thinking about becoming a member, make sure you get to become a member by Friday. The last mug was won on the 15th pull. Hey, I'm impressed. Do you know what? I was saying to Leah last night, I was saying, do you know what? This is such a responsibility. This is such a beautiful thing. People get up every day and we're together every day. We see each other more than we see our wives, our husbands, whatever. It's incredible responsibility. I feel absolutely in such a privileged position to be talking to you guys every morning. I mean, you know, 2,000 on YouTube, 10,000 on TikTok every morning. And it's a huge honor that you are all here every day. It's such a community, and I feel everyone feels a part of it. I hope everyone feels that. You know, when you comment, people reply to you. They know you're here. We've got the nicknames. We've got Robert Durant with his trademark. When Robert Durant comes in, everyone copies and pastes, smash the like Robert, and everybody is as a part of a family, a community here, and it's actually quite incredible. And some big YouTubers have told me, they said you've got quite a small channel, but it's growing. But what you do have is huge engagement. People seem to really engage with what you're doing, and you guys are just the best. It's such an honor. Anyway, let's bring everyone's names up. I was Paul 17. Yeah, I'm impressed. That Dave Mottram remembers everything like that. Is amazing, right? The Shadow Knows. Shadow Knows. What does that mean? Yo-Yo Doc in the house. That is true for me. Yes, it is. It's amazing. Anyway, we've got 1 minute 55 before the pre-market starts. AMC, I've got no prediction, I'm afraid. I've got no prediction. I've got faith and belief in where Bitcoin and Ethereum are going, but AMC, I don't understand it. And what you'll never see on this channel is anyone just saying stuff to manipulate stuff or making up stuff. If I don't know, I'll say I don't know, and at best, I'll research it. That's really all I can actually do. Anyway. Let's have a look right now. The stream seems okay right now, right? Everybody happy with the stream? Right, we're coming up to 1 minute to go. Here we go. We'll bring in the music. Gets exciting, right? Here we go. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the pre-market on Robinhood. This is not the market opening. This is just the pre-market. Please understand what that actually is. That's a test of a super chat. If you give me a super chat, you're $72. I like how it randomly gives you a number. If you do that, your name will appear on the screen, or if you become a member live in the show, or yeah, yesterday, amazing. Dr. Smith, you missed something yesterday. We had a guy called New York Man. He was my 10,000th follower on TikTok. He came over to YouTube. He subscribed. He became a silver member and then a gold member within seconds, and then continued to super chat me throughout the show for requested songs. I couldn't believe it. Incredible. Right, here we go. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The market is now, so we're off and running to the pre-market, and let's see where we head up now. Yeah, it was amazing, wasn't it? I mean, it was like, I couldn't believe it. Yeah, it was like flipping heck. That's support, isn't it? So basically, he basically wants me to promote his YouTube channel. He's already got his name on my channel now. So it's brilliant. That's a really good feature, that is. It doesn't apply to everybody, but if you've got a YouTube channel, it's absolutely awesome, that feature. I've had people say to me, that is just the best feature, because you can to get your YouTube channel featured on a growing successful channel on the homepage is like the best thing ever. If you're a YouTuber, you'll appreciate that. Look, here it is. Look, here's my YouTube channel. Look, and there is his. Look, the New York Man right there, because he's a gold member. Look, and it goes right there on the homepage. When you go to my homepage on my YouTube channel, you see his channel, and he was at 13 subscribers yesterday. He's up to 20 now. So it's absolutely brilliant, right? So if you're a TikToker or a YouTuber and you want to grow your YouTube channel, if you're a member of my channel, I put your channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And you're very welcome, by the way. And that is not even for a gold member. That's a silver member. All right. Can you please provide a link for all members? Can you hang on a minute? Can you please provide a link for all of the members? Let me just read that out again. Can you provide a link for all of the members' YouTube channels so I can subscribe? Ah, that's a cool thing. Yes. How could I do that? How could I do that? Yeah, let me add that. A link to the... That's a good idea. That's a good idea. What an amazing thought that is. What a great idea. Right. Links to YouTube channel for members. I could do it several ways. I could either do it, I'm just trying to think, I could either do it that I subscribe to all the members on my channel. The silver and gold get featured, of course. And then I could share, I could make it public who my subscriptions are, and you would all see, or I could put a link on the website. I'm just trying to think of the most efficient way, but that is brilliant. But thank you for that suggestion. I like that. Dave Mottram, he has basically paid your bill for the rest of the month. What bill? He's basically paid your bill for the rest of the month. What bill? Dr. Smith's going, I don't know what he means by that. Yeah, I don't know what he means by that. What bill is that? Hey, all your lovely people, and of course, the star himself. The star himself, Martyn Lucas. Is that me? No, the stars of the show are you guys. If you wasn't here, I'd be talking to myself. It'd be pretty pointless, wouldn't it? Hi, Sam. Good morning. Hey, Doctor. If you want your name on the screen, by the way, over on TikTok, just hop into YouTube. The link's in the profile, and you can have your name on the screen like everybody else. And I can't do that on TikTok, I'm afraid. Hey, your Doctor. There he is. That was a lot of channels in one sentence. So you don't have to play. So you don't have to play your adverts. Oh, very fun. Very fun. Oh, I see. Oh, I get you. I knew there'd be some sarcasm built into that. Yeah, thanks for that, Dave. Well, you got no chance, mate. You got no chance. Can't believe he said that. This is we can always rely on Dave Mottram, everybody. Dave Mottram will always come in, and YouTube is a place to be. Yes, it is. It's searchable. TikTok is great, though. I've got 10,000 followers, and about 30% of my subscribers have come from TikTok. So TikTok is very valuable, and there are people watching me now. Coston Music is asking me about Shiba Inu. I do have 6 million Shiba coins. Sounds so dramatic, but it isn't, is it? A couple $100. It's not an investment. It's speculative for me. That's the way I feel about it. So yes, there you go. That's I do have it, but it's not something I really believe in. Hi, John Brunette. John Brunette is back. Where's John Brunette been? John Brunette is he's not a member of the channel. We've got membership since you've been gone, John Brunette. John Brunette was one of my original family members right at the beginning. He's been gone for ages. Where the heck has he been? But lovely to have you back. There's the invitation if you want to become a member. We've got 20 members now. We have lots of exclusive benefits to members, plus cash giveaways. Dave, go YouTube Premium. Yeah, you can go YouTube Premium and you skip all the ads. But just to annoy Dave Mottram, it is time. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Skip the ad if you like. Here we go. There you go. And of course, Dave Mottram said, that's why you're doing it, to pay the bills. Fantastic. Good stuff. Busy with work. Busy with work is good. True Bill plus slight winding up Martyn. Yeah, he's always doing it. He's been doing it ever since he came here. Right, subscriber, ring the bell. There we go. We're climbing up now. We've got 17 watchers, 17 likes. Talk about the most committed, dependable YouTube channel in the world. 17 watching, 17 likes. Bang. Get in. Check that out. All right. Fantastic. Can't get better than that. Right, we're looking for some trades right now this morning. Let's have a look. On the pre-market, we are down. That's expected. We're always down like this in the mornings. What happens? Right, Tesla is down 0.62. Let's have a look at my portfolio, my buying power. I've got $800 in my buying power. Am I going to buy anything on the dips this morning? Tesla is down 0.62. Rivian is down 4% this morning on the pre-market. Is Rivian worth a little go this morning? Or does everybody think Rivian is going to go even lower? What do you think? Is Rivian going to go even lower? What's everybody's thoughts on that? Is Rivian going to go any lower? What do you think? What does everybody think of that then? I've got some shares here. I've got 10 at 79.21, $1 down. What about Rivian this morning going lower? Could be worth something. Virgin Galactic is up 0.42. That's good news because I've got Virgin Galactic 11.95. And I've got 100 at that price. Would you buy in Tesla when it dips? I bought Tesla yesterday when it dipped. Yes, I did. GGPI is up 1.67. That merger must be coming up. Lucid Group is down 0.5%. I sold my position of Lucid yesterday, John. I made 20% profit and bought all the dips. Not a bad move at all. I'm quite glad about that, actually. Robinhood, 15.50. I've got 15.05. So I've got a profit with Robinhood this morning. What should I buy at the dips this morning? Shall I buy anything on the dips or should I wait a bit more? What do you think? PayPal is down 0.43. Rivian will go up a little, Mike says. Would you buy in Tesla when it dips? I did. Very nice. Yeah. That was John Brunette. I've been telling everybody for ages, John, about you, because you were the guy who got me into Lucid. It was John Brunette who said, get Lucid. I went, what is Lucid? What's it all about? And I decided to get it. And I'm so glad I did because it's been one of my best stocks. It made me 20%, made $1,000. So I ended up getting $1,000 worth of other stock. I want Rivian to go up as I'm currently down $14. Wait a bit more and see what happens. That's the viewpoint of Sam. Yeah, it was a good score. It was a good result. That I nearly didn't sell it. I didn't want to, and everyone was telling me, "What are you holding on for? You've got all these dips. You've got no money on hand. Why don't you sell? Why don't you sell it and take some profit?" And do you know what? The moment I sold it, I felt good about it. The moment I sold it, this very moment I sold it, I thought, do you know what? That was a good move. I felt good about it the moment I did it. So I'm glad I did it. I'm really glad I did it. So there you go. Anyway, Sam Hughes is saying you should buy LICY. LICY. Let's have a look. I want Rivian to go up. I want a bit more. Okay, LICY. Let's type it in, Dr. Nathan Smith. LICY. Li-Cycle. What is this one? Oh, okay. Li-Cycle Holdings engaged in lithium-ion battery resource recovery and lithium battery recycling in North America. Let's have a look at it. I am saying it. I am saying it. I think Rivian is overpriced and still has more to drop. Yeah, well, I've done very well. I've done very well on it actually, so I'm happy. And that's it. I'll buy back in it. It's a great. It's got a great, great future, right? Li-Cycle. It IPO'd here 2020. Did its usual pop, fell down. Right, it's all the way down. Okay. It's just down at the moment. What was its highs? Doesn't really count. It was 13. Li-Cycle. It's up 1.27 on the pre-market. I think we'll add that to the list. We'll add that to the list of things to study. Average volume 1.62, so it's low volume for trading. But anyway. That's Li-Cycle. I think we'll certainly research that. Thank you, Dr. Smith, for that. Right, live position right now with just coming up to 15 minutes before the bell goes. We're just getting ready. We're positioning. It's like a military moving, like military position, isn't it? We're all getting in position of where we're going to go and what we're going to do. So anyway, let's have a look. Can you get shares in Airbnb? I don't know. Let's have a look. What is the ticker for that? ABNB. Yes, I can. Yes, I can get shares in Airbnb. $160 a share right now. There you go. Let's pan out. There it is. That's the plan over the last year or so. Military position, LOL. Yeah. It is, isn't it? We're all moving our pieces and then we pounce. It's like, sell, buy. Lucio, hello and goodbye. Hello and goodbye till later. Am I going to say hang on. All I'm going to say is get in BFRI again. They're going to drop some news today and it's going to rip again. Now I have to go again. Hi and out. Hello and goodbye. There we go. Well, that's no messing around there. That's no messing around. That's right to the point. I appreciate that. No messing around. For me, it's more like clowns in a car. Hey, Lucio. You got all your friends saying hello and you buggered off. Anyway, here is the invitation if you want to join and become a member. And you can see a lot of our family, friends of the family now actually have badges because they are members. They get lots and lots of benefits. If you are a YouTuber or a TikToker, you get to promote your YouTube channel on my homepage of my channel. You can also put all your links in your channel so you can grow very quickly. You get a birthday song on your birthday. If you're a silver member, you get a full 20-minute concert on your birthday. You also get exclusive videos, access to the 24/7 pre-IPOs for the NFTs, lots of other things, one-on-one tuition, Zoom calls if you want that, loads and loads of things, discounts into the shop, of course. I'm going to be talking to Muzanella today because Muzanella, I've got the black mugs ready to go, so we're going to put everyone's order in today. So if I can talk to you today to basically Muzanella bought 6 black mugs yesterday and that's where all those prizes came from. So Muz has got one and the rest of you, there's 5 getting a free mug courtesy, not of me, courtesy of Muzanella. He celebrated yesterday and he's by far most generous person I've ever met. And he's on the show today. He's live in the chat, and he bought 5 mugs, black mugs yesterday. Moo is welcome back up. There you go. Martin Redding was one of our winners yesterday. If the company does not make money, I am staying away in 90% of the cases. There you go. I'm here. Just got to do something. I'll be back later. Thanks for the hellos. Yeah, you're very important, Lucio. You're very, very important. We wish you were a member because then you'd have exclusive content and we could do much more for you. But there you go. Consider that being a member. Here is the invitation in the chat if you're interested. Right. Some of you asked me on TikTok, can we have the all links button? Of course you can. The all links button is for all the free stocks that I give away. And the American, the New York man last night, got a free stock of Robinhood. He won $4, and we're hoping today he'll get the WEBULL and he'll get a free Apple stock. Up to $8,000 they say can be won on WEBULL. I've never seen anybody do it, but that's what they say. But use my link and you can get all that. I'm up since 5:45, just under the weather. Oh, hang on, everybody. Let's send some love today. Let's send some love. Muzanella isn't feeling very well. We all know what that feels like. There's some love for Muzanella. Come on, I want to see the chat light up. The chat light up for Muzanella. I want to see loves copied and pasted all the way down the chat. Muzanella's here every day. He's gifted everybody free merchandise. He supports us. He gives us great tips. He promotes the channel. He's a gold member. I mean, seriously, he is the man of the channel. Let's give some love. Let's give some love. I want to have a viral moment in the chat because Muzanella isn't feeling very well. We did this the other day for Balasair, and he said he felt a lot better after we did that. So come on, guys. Let's flood it. So here we go. Facebook. Hi, says Fida Bayu. Hi, Fida. Come and join us on YouTube. That's the best place to be. And also, we're over on TikTok as well. Lovely to have you all here. All right. Okay, let's do it. Get well, Moose. Let's put that in the chat. And I want some loves after it. Let's put some, what should we put? There we go. Put that in there. Copy and paste. There you go. Let's put that in the chat. There we go. Let's blow it up. Let's make him feel better. Let's make him feel loved. He knows he's loved anyway, but let's make him feel loved. Let's remind him. Let's remind him. All right. Completely agree. He's extremely strenuous. Thank you, Mo. Thank you, Moose. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. I like how he's got a nickname now of Moo. We all call him Moo. I hope he likes it, by the way. We've never asked him. We've never said, do you mind if we call you Moo? Like a cow. Moo. But we all do, right? He's just stuck with it, whether he likes it or not. LOL, Sam. Think you should venture into stocks that contain the letter of the alphabet or just A's and B's. Yeah, that's it. That's the way to pick a stock, isn't it? Moose now sent me a link. I'll share that in a second. Dave, I'll give it a go. Get well, Moose. Sanitizer. Fider Bio over on Facebook. Hiya, come and join us on YouTube or TikTok. We can't talk to you over on Facebook. We can't do anything over there. But come and join us on YouTube. That'd be much better. Murray McKines is here. Right, Moose, how do you feel? How do you feel? Look at this. I want the world to see this. Is this not the best channel in the world? Is this not the best channel in the world? It really, really is. There you go. Waiting for my COVID. Oh dear, I hope you haven't got COVID, have you? I've just had the booster, double vaccinated and the booster. And they're talking in England about a fourth booster. I mean, I thought vaccinations were vaccinations. Like, you remember when you was a kid and you had the polio vaccination? Maybe the doctor can tell me this. When you had a vaccination, you were done. You would never get polio, and you were done. Now it seems you get a vaccination for COVID, and you get it every 10 minutes. It's like we're looking at the fourth one. How many more are we going to have? How many? I tell you what, I'm worried about the taxes in the future. You know, all these in America, they're giving all these free. Well, they do it in England too. They give everyone, but everyone's taxes or health insurance is going to go for the roof next year, isn't it? I can't believe the get wells. Knocked out all 3 times. I tell you what. My when I got the booster, the boost, if you call it the booster, whatever you want to call it, it was a flipping nightmare. It was an absolute flipping nightmare. The booster was awful. I felt like I had the flu. I don't think you were here, Dr. Smith, when I said that, did you? But when I had the booster a couple of weeks ago, I can't remember if you were in or not, because I was going to ask you. I thought I had the flu for 24 hours, and then all of a sudden, my fever broke, and I went to Leah. Oh, I feel better now. Just like that. It was like a switch. COVID vaccine loyalty card. Yeah, get some extra points. Get some air miles. Every time you get a COVID shot, you get some air miles. Yes, but remember, this virus is mutating faster than anything we have seen. We want to make sure you have adequate protection. I love that. I love the fact a doctor says that. Look, we want to make sure. That's what it's about. Listen to the doctors. And when a doctor with a big smiley face, like Dr. Nathan Smith, says, we want to make sure you have adequate protection. Don't you feel loved by that? Don't you feel that there are doctors in the world that spend their time learning to be doctors to help people? I honestly believe people go into professions because they want to do the actual job. It's not because I'm going to be a doctor because it will make me rich, or I'm going to be this because it will make me rich. We all want to get paid lots of money, right? But I don't think that's why a doctor is a doctor, or a teacher is a teacher, or a fireman is a fireman, or a YouTuber is a YouTuber earning $2 a day. It ain't that. It's because we want to do it. And when a doctor turns around and says, we want to make sure you have adequate protection. We, as a collective of doctors, want to make sure you have adequate protection. I think that sounds lovely. And just because of that, I'm going to go out and get another booster. I'm going to have 2 boosters this week. I'm going to get loads of air miles. this week, I'm going to cash in. Right, we got 8 minutes to go. My father is a paramedic, and he's had COVID 2 times. That's awful, isn't it? Being a paramedic, because you're around people, right? You're around people all the time. I wonder, what do you reckon? Get a bit of a bounce this morning on Rivian. Lucid dropping. We've got just 6 minutes to go. Yeah, the Tesla Jam. You get Tesla Jam as well. When you buy when you get a COVID vaccine, you get some Tesla Jam thrown in for free. Sam Hughes, I went on your Facebook page last night because I was stalking you, and I found out, I didn't realise you were married. A lovely lady. I didn't realise that. I saw a picture last night. How long have you been married? I had no idea. For some reason, I thought you, I don't know. I thought you were single, or I didn't know. I had no idea. But I realised you were married to a lovely lady last night. I couldn't believe it. You never mentioned her. I wish my doctor was a smiley doctor like... Yeah, we all want a Dr. Nathan Smith, don't we? I have a miserable old trout who makes me feel like I'm inconvenienced to her day. Yeah, everyone needs Dr. Nathan Smith. Married since 24th of June last year. Awesome. Had no idea. We didn't know that. Congratulations to you. Coming up to your first anniversary, right? In a few months' time. Nice one. All right. If you're over on TikTok, tap the screen. Let me know if you put a comment. I'll call your name out. Sorry about that, Believer Bubble. Yeah. He's even apologising. See, Dr. Nathan Smith is just too nice, isn't he? Sometimes he can be. He's just too nice. Flipping heck. Right. Let's have a look. So I'm looking for a position here on Rivian. 79.21. Yeah, okay. I might get a bit of a bounce. I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to buy it until it goes lower, because this is where I get told off. Martin Redding tells me off, and Julius Caesar comes in and tells me off and says, "Look, you bought in the dips, and now you've got some cash on hand, and now you've got no money again." But yeah, that's what happens. It's what happens when you buy the dips. You buy the dips, then you have no money. All right, stop telling me off. I know this stuff. I don't know. Everyone's giving me a hard time. So, subscribe, Sam. Return the subscribe, please. There you go. We got people subscribing to YouTube channels here. Yeah, I'm going to put a list then of all the YouTube channels. That's another perk. Another perk that I will do that. Dr. Nathan Smith mentioned that. A list of the YouTubers that subscribe, so we can subscribe to everybody. That's brilliant, that. I think that's very, very good. I will do that. Sell the ups, buy the dips. There we go. Oh, Martin Redding's here. Yeah, just talking about you, saying you tell me off if I do that. Sell the ups, buy the dips. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to do anyway. Tesla is now moving up. Rivian is starting to move up. SPCE is great. I've got a position in SPCE. I might trade it in a minute. SPCE 11.95. So that's 10. That's $10. If I sell those 100, I'll make $10. But yeah, it's quite a bit of money. That's $10 profit plus the money I'll get back for the 1,200 for the shares. So what, 1,210. So you know, I might do that. I think I'll leave it a little bit longer. Martin Redding says sell the ups and hold the cash. Sell the ups and hold the cash. What did he do? He put sell the ups and buy the dips. Oh, Patrick Hughes just subscribed to the channel. Woo woo! Patrick Hughes, how are you, Patrick Hughes? Are you in the chat? Are you here live? Sometimes people are watching they're watching other videos. It's kind of bizarre. I'm really excited when that starts going viral, because it will. After a while, I might have to turn it off. Once it starts going boop, 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 all the time. Sorry about this, the bad sound effect. All right, if you just joined us, we're starting to take off now. We've got 23 watching, 17 likes. Right, smash the like button. We've got 3 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. Subscribe and ring the bell. Right, let's get a thumbs up. Let's get to 20 likes in the next minute. We're going to bring up the clock in 1 minute. I want to get 20 likes by the time the bell goes. Right, that'll be really cool. I think we've only ever done that once before. 20 likes before the bell goes, all right? So in 1 minute, I'm going to bring the timer up, and I want to get to 20 likes in 1 minute. All right? Okay, so it isn't nothing to do with that then. I'm noticing a bit of buffering again. So it has nothing to do with that switch. All right, I'm sorry, I'm thinking out loud now. Thinking out loud what happened then. Anyway, here we go. Bring up the timer. 1 minute to go. I want to get to 20 likes in 1 minute as the bell goes. You ready? Let's get ready. Are you ready? We got 20 seconds for a minute, and then the bell's going to go. And by the time the bell goes, I want to be on 20 likes. All right. Anyone else having trouble with the stream again? It's from time to time it does it, doesn't it? Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right, the bell goes in 1 minute. Right. We want to get 20 likes by the time the bell goes. We've got 17 likes. Getting ready for positions. Yes, I did, Dave. Yeah, YouTube is having glitches. It's beyond my control. I've no idea what it is. Come on. I need 3 more likes. 3 more likes on the channel in the next 30 seconds. The bell is about to go, and Rivian is lifting up. We're about to get a bit of a bounce. Let's see what happens. Let's go to the live position. Here we go. Are you ready? In the last hour, we are down 0.3. 18 likes. I need 2 more likes in 14 seconds. 1 more like in 14, 12, 10 seconds. Get in. 1 more like. 10 seconds. Come on. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's ring the bell now. 2, 1. Okay. Market is open and we are off to the races. Let's see what happens now. Did we get 20 likes? Yes, we did. Oh, amazing. Thank you very much indeed, everybody. You are the very, very best. Can't believe it. Okay, here we go. We are off now to the races, and we are looking. We're dropping now over. Oh, right, Tesla is moving up. That's good. Rivian is. Where's it going to go? It's not refreshing yet. No, it's moving up. I nearly bought some Rivian there. But I held off for a lower dip to come. So there we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can trade out my position. Rivian, I've got 10, 79, 21. 79 at 21. So we're looking for a bounce there. Virgin Galactic is going back down again. It's okay. Lucid is going back down again. Hood is going back down. Okay, everything's moving downwards. At the moment, Peloton is flat. PayPal is pushing up. PayPal's having a good day. Look at that. Starting to move. Immersion is up, 0.57. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome, welcome, welcome. Tap the screen. Let me know you're here. And I'll happily promote you and put your name on the screen. All right, let's have a look here. Martin, your YouTube channel should be like a CFAX, so you have no streaming issues. That's it. It keeps freezing and trying to buffer. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So it definitely isn't to do with the switch. I added a switch yesterday, which made everything wired because this main computer has always been wired, obviously. But there was other computers that weren't wired, and I wired them, and it slowed everything down. But I've just disconnected them, and it still did it. So it's definitely an issue with YouTube and Restream. I know that because I've got that. They've told me, but I just thought I could, try and get around it. I just cut my losses with Rivian. What did you do? 78 now. Yeah, I'm down $857 on it right now. Virgin Galactic just going back down. Let's move along the portfolio. Rolls-Royce is flat right now. Boeing is up 0.57. Pretty good. What about Apple? I bought some Apple yesterday. Increased my position in Apple. It's going down a bit more. 0.25%. Johnson & Johnson is moving up. Google is moving down. Have you got shares in Disney? Yes, I have. I have one share in Disney. We're down 0.04. Ethereum is moving down. So we're getting a big down at the moment. Doge last night. Did you see Dogecoin last night? It went up 8% in seconds. It's not one of my positions. I have $2 of Doge, but I'm just letting you know it went up 8%. Bitcoin is now going down again. Rivian failed to deliver in December. Bank of America announces cuts to overdraft fees. Well, that's very kind of them. Hang on. Let me just recorrect that. Bank of America cuts overdraft fees. Very nice of them, but what they're about to, but the interest rates are about to go up on your car loan and your mortgage and everything else. So yeah, we're going to cut overdraft fees, but we're going to get you with the interest. Interest rates are going up. We all know about it, right? So there you go. Other breaking news this morning is Apple submits plans to allow alternative payment systems in South Korea. We might cover that later on in the show. And Tesla sold a record 70,847 China-made vehicles in December, according to CPCA. So good news at Tesla. You can't go wrong with Tesla. It's one of my best positions. I've made a lot of money with Tesla, even though I only have 5 stocks of it right now. Okay, we're bouncing up now on the live position. Are we going to have a green day? I might do a little poll in a minute and ask you that very question. Let's ask the team. I've just noticed I've had an update here on YouTube. They've updated a few things. Are we going to have a green day? What do you think? Yes or no? Let's ask the community. See what the community thinks. Do they think yes? Do they think no? We'll find out in a minute. Right. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio is now down 0.5%. Of course, we've got the day trader of the day coming up shortly. Tesla is moving up, just about to go green, quite possibly. Let's see how you vote today. All right, here we go. Rivian, Tesla is pushing up. Rivian, yep. Rivian is pushing up. Right, let's try and make some money here. Rivian, 79.21. Whoa, go on. Get in. I want to make some money here. I want to sell. Oh, Rivian, nice. You just cut your losses. Believe a bubble, you just sold your Rivian. Rivian failed to deliver in December. Yes, they did. We know that Rivian have got a long way to go. It's very, very early days. Of course they did. We knew that. We knew we bought into this. I told you from the very beginning. It's a trading. Stock. It's one for the future. But if I can make some money on this right now, okay. What have we got now? 79.21. There you go. 79.21. Well, okay. I've made $10. I've made $10 now. If I sell that, I'll get the $1,000 out and $10 because I bought it at 79.21. It's basically nearly $1 a share. Should I sell that? What does everybody think? Should I sell that? Ooh. Oh, get in. Look at Rivian today. I got 10 shares at 79.21. So I could get my $1,000. I could get my $800 out plus $10. Make $10 profit. Get some buying power. What's everybody think? Yeah, sell. Make some money, right? 800 plus $10. That's not bad, is it? Same with Virgin Galactic. I'm being spoiled for choice right now. What about Hood? Is Hood doing it? Oh, yes, Hood as well. I'm making money today. There we go. Look. Just about to turn green on the hour. Okay. So, Rivian, what we're going to do. So, sell 10 shares. 10. I'm getting ready. So far, I'll make $10. I bought it at $79.20. Right, I'm reviewing it. There we go. I did it. I just did that. I got money back in hand again. So now I should have. Let's go to my buying power. Yeah, I've got money in buying power now. I just sold those Rivian. So I just made some money on Rivian. 79.21. So we'll clear the board. Those Rivian stocks are sold. All right. And we'll wait to buy a drop again. So now I've got $10 profit. In fact, it was slightly more. It was about 11 or 12. Something like that. I just made some money out of Rivian. So that's not bad. Some money out. 810 baht. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. If it falls back down again, which it could do, I'll do it again. And that's all right. Murray just said, well, I just seen Murray. Where's Murray McKine's come up? Murray McKine said, in fact, why can't I see Murray's comment? Murray's comments not come through. Morning, Mike. Is the portfolio going to hit 50,000? Right. From now on, right. 50,000 Murray. Right. From now on, this is it. This is the catchphrase. Right. Murray has a catchphrase. He's 50,000 Murray. Murray, he's 50,000 Murray. Every time he comes in, he asks me that same bloody question. And today, it's not going to hit 50,000. You know it. You know it's not going to hit 50,000. So let's put that in. 50,000 Murray. Here he is. 50,000 Murray. You can't hurry a Murray. No, you can't. Listen to you. Sam Hughes, bloody comedian. They had great news this morning. GGPI. Let's have a look at it. 3.78. Yeah, I've got 50 shares of this. Very, very nice. Let's see what happens today to that. 45.5. Okay, I'm live on the hour. What about the day? Not yet. I just sold my Rivian. I made $10 profit. Let's have a look at SPCE. SPCE 11.95. 11.95. Now I've got 100. If I can get to 12.95, that's $100 profit plus the money I get back out of it again. So 11.95. If we go at 12.50, 12.45, that's $50 profit. So about $25 profit now, plus the money I get back. Ain't that true, Sam? What do you think? Virgin Galactic. I've got about $50 profit right now. $50 profit plus that money. Right, let's get ready to sell it. Sell 100. 100 shares, and SPCE 100 11.95. Okay, there we go. Review order. So if we go back down to here, yeah, I've made 2% on it. Yeah, I'm up 2%. I've made 2% on that money. I've got 100 shares here. We're up 2%. If it gets to 12.95, so we're halfway in between right now. So we're about $40 profit. We're about $40 profit. And I'm just trying to make some kind of profits. I'm not bothered. I just want to trim it down. It's 20% of my portfolio anyway. So I just want to trim it down. Thank you very much indeed for the... Is that coffee, is it? Thank you very much. All right. So about to make some money here. How much do you have to put in? How much do I have to put in? My portfolio is currently $45,000. I started with $100 when I built my first Bitcoin. That was my very first trade. But you can start with $1. You can start with $1. And my portfolio has grown from $5,500 to 58, and then 58, and now it's back at 44. I've had quite a drop. 45. Right. Okay. Let's have a look. 11.10, 11.12. 12. We've just dropped back a little bit. What do we think? Starting to slow down. Yeah, it's hovering back again. 8, 9, 12. Murray McCann just became a member of the channel, everybody. Let's celebrate Murray. Welcome, Murray. Everybody, Murray just became a member. He's a bronze member. Look at that. I'm just waiting to sell Virgin Galactic. Is it going to go back up to those 20s again? It might be that. Might be it. I was at 2%. I've just missed out on 1%. So I think I've missed the opportunity unless it does it again. Let's have a look. If we can get 12.20, I will do it. I missed the opportunity. It's about $30 profit right now with my money back out again for a further drop. Yeah, I missed it. Yeah, I missed it. There it goes. Too late. Damn it. It was right there for me, for the taking. I should have done that. But never mind. I missed it. I'll if it does it again. Oh! Okay, 20. 12.20. $12.20. That's like a $40 profit. There we go. I did it. Right, I've sold it. I made $40 profit on that one. So let's go back to the buying power now so we can clear that off the board. Hood has been sold. SPC has been sold. That's that one cleared away. Woo! That was a bit of adrenaline rush. Okay. I've now got buying power of $2,800. Riv pumping again. I've just sold my... I want to welcome... Can everybody welcome in our new member, please? Murray McKine has become a bronze member. A bronze member. We'll add him to the the ticker at the bottom later on. And he gets all the other features and the live chat, 24/7 show. Make sure that you take part in that, folks. I've got a couple of sponsors now talking to me about taking that space as well. So it's very, very interesting. I want to thank Murray McKines for becoming our next bronze member. So he will be in the cash draw on Friday. Excellent stuff. Right, I've got 2,800 now in my buying power. We are over 45,000 again now. On the day, what about my day position? Am I green yet for the day? Yes, I am green. What is the vote? You said, are we going to have a green day? Yes, you said. Fantastic. 16 votes. 16 votes. Let's end the poll. Let's post the poll. Nice. It looks like we are as well. So, if Tesla falls, I might buy another Tesla. Rivian is lifting off now. Nice. SPCE is 12.20. I sold it at 12.20. Gores Guggenheim is up 2.83. No profit there yet. Lucid is up. I'm looking to buy back a dip there again. Robinhood. Right, Robinhood. I've got a trade here lined up. 15, let's have a look. 15.05. 15.05. Okay, how many did I buy? Hood, I bought 80. Sell Hood. Right, let's have a quick look. No, not quite yet. No, missed it. Hood was 15.05. 80. We get a bit of a bounce back. That'll be this is about $60 profit. If I can get it back up there again, I want to go up there if I can. 15.23. No, sorry, not 15.23. Where was that? That's not right. One final push. Might have missed Robinhood. We're just waiting for Robinhood to one more little push. I bought 80 shares at 15.05, so that's about $60 profit. Let's see what we can do. Well, here we go. Sell. Done. I just made, so that was 80 cents times 8. What was that? So 80 cents times 80. $0.80 times 80. $64. Made $64 on those shares. It doesn't matter if it keeps on going. I'll catch another one. So let's clear that. 15.05. A profit there. So you can make money on Hood. Right, my buying power now is getting some serious cash going. We are now up look, 4,110 in my buying power. Awesome. That's better, isn't it? Martin Redding will be proud of me. Right, good. $4,000 in my buying power. So now we're looking for some serious dips to come now because we've taken ourselves out of those markets. Welcome to all new members. Queen is here. Good one, Alex. Let's bring in the members. Hi, Queen. Murray, get minted. No. I love it. Do you members get coffee service too? Oh, yeah. I'll come round your house with a bloody cup of coffee, Mark Corn. I'll come round your house with a cup of coffee in the middle of my show. Oh, brilliant. You guys, honestly. Do you get free coffee? Tesla is moving up now. What about Rivian? Woo! Rivian has taken off. Look, 82. The Beatles, Sean, it's been a while since we've seen that advert on TV. Yeah, Marie Mints. Yeah, feels like late 70s. Yeah, we're all old here. Right, Rivian. Virgin Galactic. Oh, look at this, everybody. This is great. Awesome news, isn't it? Now, you might be thinking that you just sold out. I did. I sold out. I made some money. I've still got 19% of my portfolio. Shave profits off as you go. Don't feel bad about, making profits. Not a problem at all. Right, we got the day trader of the day coming up in a couple of moments' time. We just need to very, very quickly run a quick ad. You can skip it. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. Good stuff. We're back. Brilliant stuff. Over there on TikTok, good morning. Thanks to all my followers. We've got 10,000 followers now over on TikTok. You guys are the very best. You're nearly as good as my YouTubers. But my YouTube is where the family is, where the home is. TikTok is a way for you to learn about where we are live and where we are best. And that is YouTube. Welcome, Murray. Yeah, Murray is a new member. Let me show you some of the members. I will add Murray after the show. I can't add him just yet. In fact, I can, can't I? I can do it live in the show. If we go to, so Murray is a new member. Let me put him in. I'll do it. Shall I do it? I'll do it. Let's go to the overlays. All right, we'll go to the overlays and we'll bring in the bronze ticker. There we go. Murray. I'm going to put him in now. Murray McKines. Murray, what country are you from? What country are you from, Murray? Let me know what country you're from. I'm going to put you in now. So Murray McKines, I think you're from the UK. Let me know. I'm doing it now, so you need to tell me. Murray McKines, I'm just about to put him in the ticker. So here we go. He's a bronze member. Murray. I'm just waiting for his country. Just give me your country, Murray. Hope you're not too far behind me. Just update your screen if you're behind me. There we go. Murray McKines. I just need your country and I'll be good to go. M-A-C-I-N-N-E-S. There it is. Just waiting for him to say. Just tell me what country you're from, Murray. And I'm just ready to click it. I think it's the UK, isn't it? Where's he gone? Oh, I'm just waiting. I think it's the UK. Is Murray from Murray McKines? I think it's from the UK. I'm going to go UK, and hopefully I got it right, and then I'll change it if I got it wrong. But I'm pretty sure it's from the UK. So I'm going to put that in. Or was it Ireland? Murray McKines. It might be Ireland. Where's he gone? I'm gonna put. Is it Ireland? Or is it England? We're watching Virgin Galactic pump up now. Where's everybody gone? What's going on? I'm trying to put in Murray's name and everyone has disappeared. Am I not getting an audio feed? What's going on? Have I stopped broadcasting? What's going on? No, I'm still going live, aren't I? You've never gone so quiet. What's going on? I'm going to go England. I'm going to guess England. United Kingdom. Save. All right, there it is. I've made a guess. I think it's that. Right, you'll see him pop up now. Look at this. On the day we are up 0.5%. I've got $4,000 in my buying power. That's more like it. That's more like it. Now we're off to the races. Tesla is now up. Rivian is now moving up. 83 up 2%. I've still got 35 shares of it, so that's fine. SPCE is moving up 3.5% today. Scotland. Right. Where did you go all that time? How come it took so flipping long? I wonder if I can change to Scotland. I don't know if I can do Scotland. Let me have a look. Let me see if Scotland comes up. Yes, I can. And I know as a proud Scotsman, you'll want Scotland. There you go. Right, Murray. Okay, watch it. Vapor's Guide is here. Right, Murray. Awesome stuff. Now, don't forget, if you are silver member and upwards, I'm not from the UK, I'm from Scotland. I know. Look on the screen now. Your name will come up with your proud Scottish flag. Ready? Okay, watch the screen now at the bottom. Now, don't forget, if you're silver and upwards, you need to tell me to add your YouTube channel. It's not an automatic thing. I don't automatically add it. You need to tell me that you've got a YouTube channel, and then we're going to add all the YouTubers and the TikTokers to a list. So if you do have a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel and you are a silver member upwards, we're going to put you on a list so everyone can subscribe. Everybody will see all the YouTubers and TikTokers that have a channel they want to promote. All right? So that's silver members and upwards. Right. Let's see it come across the screen now. Here's Murray McKines. There he is. Look, with our very first Scottish flag. Look at that, everybody. Murray McKines is a Scottish flag. There it is. Look on the screen right now. How cool is that? All right. The portfolio is now up nearly 1%. Brilliant. I've got $4,000 on hand. Right. Where am I going to spend it next? Tesla is down at the moment. Rivian is now pumping up. I'm not going to buy any more Rivian at all. Not at all right now. Virgin Galactic is pumping up. I've got 649 shares. I just trimmed some off the top. Do you have the English flag, Martin? Yes, I do. Dave Mottram, do you want to go England? Do you want to go England? Dave, do you want to go England? Murray's country is Scotland. There we go. I've done it. All of you guys need to refresh your screen. You're all buffering. You're all behind me a little bit. All right? You're all behind. Could all of you refresh the screen? And I'm not telling you that just to get you to do an ad, but you're actually you're all actually behind. That's what's going on right now. So I want you all to update your screens because you're all actually behind me. We are keeping you in suspense. Is that what it is? You're keeping me in suspense. All right. Yes, please. Dave Mottram wants England. Flipping out. Flipping out. Talk about customer service. Talk about customer service. Dave Mottram wants England. No more requests. I'm in the middle of a show here. Right. England. Can I do it live? I'm going to do it live. You know I'm going to do it live. England. I've done it. Nobody else. Just Dave Mottram, because he's a miserable old sod, and if I don't do it, he'll like, give us a hard time. Right. Dave Mottram, I've done it. Patio Perry, come and join us on YouTube. That's where the show is. You need to be on YouTube or TikTok. Facebook, I can't share any links with you. I can't give you any free cash. I can't give you any free crypto. I can't do anything over on there. Right, Dave Mottram. Are you watching? Thanks, Martin. You're very welcome, mate. Here he comes. Here comes Dave Mottram with his England flag. Oh, yeah. Check it out. The feed is so behind. You guys need to refresh the screen. Refresh the screen and you'll be up to date. Thanks, Martin. You're welcome. Need the flag to balance out Murray. Need to balance out Murray. Right. We made some money on Virgin Galactic this morning. That's absolutely perfect. So I'll buy it when it drops back down again and we'll do it again. I'm up now 0.84. Fantastic. This is great. Nearly 1% today. It's a green day. Tesla is firing off today. Great. Rivian is firing off. Brilliant. Virgin Galactic, we're just looking. Have we got any positions now? SPCE 1366. I've got 1366. Once we hit that level, Hood 1783. I think we're a way off from Hood yet trading. Well, I tell you what, we're moving up towards it. We're moving up towards it. Robinhood, I am now just $500 short now. So that's very, very exciting. Let me bring in our silver members. Let's not focus on the bronze members. Hang on a minute. What about the silver members? Oh, yeah. Check it out. Here we go. There's the silver members. Yeah, Bubble. Anyone in here? Welsh or Northern Ireland? Bloody hell. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There we go. There we go. Sam Laidler, Martin Redding, and Hairy Bold Hulk from Australia. Me. Yeah, that's where I'm from. Robinhood Markets is up now, nearly 4%. Robinhood is fired. Rivian pumping again. Oh, don't be afraid to sell though, guys. Take profits off the table. Don't be afraid to sell. It's absolutely fine. Don't be afraid to sell. Take some profit off the table. Isn't a bad thing at all. And I'm glad I've done it. I'm glad I've done it. I know I'm missing out now on some of these profits, but I've still got, remember, 35 shares of Rivian. I just took off those 10. Same with SPCE. You know, I bought down here, sold it. Always take profits, because when things dip, like they have done the last few weeks, you end up in nothing. So take some profits along the way. And just keep growing your portfolio all the time, piece by piece. Rivian pumping again. That's from Murray, from McKine's, from Scotland. And, of course, we've got our gold members here today as well. Musanella's in the house. Rivian, go for it, then Bubble. Tell Martin to sort out the flag so you can be loud and proud. I'm from Northern Ireland, but leave me with the jack. There we go, Vapor's Guide. There he is. He's the gold member, look. Vapor's Guide. By the way, Vapor's Guide, I want to promote him because you get this benefit if you are a gold member. Look, silver, look, Vapor's Guide. He has 40 subscribers right now. We are working on a list. Today it was mentioned by Dr. Nathan Smith. Can I have 2 flags, Canada and China? No, you can't. You can only have 1 flag. 1 flag, Bill. You can only have 1 flag. There you go. That's the very first time I've said no to something. I always say yes. I'm saying no. You can't have 2. Right, here we go. He's got 40 subscribers. Everybody subscribe to the Vapor's Guide. He's a gold member. He's a big fan of the show. He supports the show. He makes it all possible. Everyone go and click on him right now. He's featured on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and he has 40 subscribers, and we want to see him get 1 more than that. Right? There you go. This is the benefit of all those. Oh, look at my portfolio. 46,000. Get in. Get in. And Murray McKine's here. 50,000. 50,000 Murray is in the house today. 50,000 Murray is in the house. But it's not going to go 50,000 today. I don't see that happening. I've got $4,000 in my buying power. Get in. We love all that. Oh, 1.29. Look at the pumps coming back in the market. No, just the wife, Dave. What have I started? Reference flags. Murray McKines, you've started a bloody war, and we're going to ban you from the channel for doing it. We're going to ban you because we can't have all this nonsense in my show. You'll be wanting independence next, Murray McKines. Yeah, he will. Don't even start. Don't even start. Freedom. We got William Wallace in the bloody house. Don't start winding him up. Rivian is up 4%. Yes, Rivian is now lifting off today. We are now just $400 down. Are we going to be able to make some profit on Rivian today? Should you just have... so you just have one flag, Bill? Yes, one flag. You're only allowed one flag. Virgin Galactic dropping back again. I'll buy it again when it falls back down. Gores Guggenheim's having a great day, up 3%. Lucid now up 5% today. I need to buy back in. I can't buy back in again until it falls back down again. Robinhood is up 4% today. Oh, look at this. We might have we might have another trade lined up. 1733. It might typical. I just sold Rivian to stop my losses. Told ya. Believe a bubble. You need to listen to me. I give you good advice, but you don't listen. I get into the camera and I tell you what to do, but you don't listen. You have to listen. If you don't listen, you sell your bloody Rivian and you lose your profits. That's what it's all about. Listen. You got to trade. You got to trade. Right. So you should just have that one flag. Typical. Only a sister in Canada, but 742 I have met with millions more in China. I am part of the Xin dynasty. Mike, I'm listening. Mike, now don't try to be a teacher's pet. Don't try to be a teacher's pet and say I'm listening. All right. Right. Everybody is behind the stream. Right. You're behind the stream today. I want you to refresh. I want you to refresh the screen. It's very, very important, right? Refresh the screen. Click refresh. And you'll be up to date. Click refresh. I am listening. I know, but my opening for Rivian was 20 something. It wasn't gone up enough to have me go into the green. I needed 14 worth of movement. Don't try and explain yourself to me. Don't try and explain yourself. If you don't listen, that's, we can't help you. Brilliant. I'm excited today because I'm finally getting back where I need to be. Right, 46,000. Come on. Come on. And now I've got 10% of my money. Only 90% is working for me right now. The rest of it is sitting in the buying power. This is nice. Rivian is now moving up. Tesla's now moving up. Look at this. Where you know when it's a big day, because Muzanella isn't here, and Muzanella is here, but he'll be in the background doing like 100 contracts at a time. Remember yesterday, he bought 100 contracts of Tesla. He bought a contract of Tesla, which is 100 shares, $1 million of shares. He'll be very excited, right? Look at this. You'll be excited. Anyway, that's why he's not here, because he's like making millions of dollars in his trades. And he's a bit preoccupied right now. I have refreshed about 30 times today, but it keeps slipping. Rubbish YouTube. May need to go back to TikTok. Oh yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. You go back to TikTok. You go back to TikTok and scroll for naked ladies. It's a green day already. Yes, it is. It's a green day already. 1.44. Okay, let's do the day trader of the day. I am up. Yes, you heard me say it. 1.45. Don't post your scores yet until you see the timer. Everybody needs to refresh to make sure you're up to date. So don't post until I give you the timer. Are you ready? Okay. So here we go. I'm up 1.46. Wait for the timer. Everybody needs to refresh so you're up to date with me. Click refresh. So I know you are up to date. Okay. Here we go. If you're over there on TikTok, thanks for all the love today and the follows. 10,000 followers now on TikTok. Absolutely amazing. We've got a great channel over there on TikTok. Thanks for all the love as well. LOL, Moo is making the next batch of cash so he can buy more merchandise for the family giveaways. You know that, Dave. It's right, you know that. Right, there we go. I'm only down 42% on Hood shares now. Happy days. Hey, Paul, let's celebrate, Paul. Paul's only down 42%. That's it. Brilliant. Okay, let me bring up the clock. The 1 minute clock, and you can post for the day trader of the day. 1 minute from now, here we go. Who's it gonna be? Day trader of the day. Caden Youngquest is here. He said to me he might be my very first sponsor to the channel. Not a bad time to do it, because if you sponsor the channel now, you'll be the only one. You can't be up 51%. What's going on? How can you be up 51%? You got to go on your main day trade. You got to go on your main portfolio for the overall portfolio, not just one. Well done, Paul. I'm down 50% on it as well. I'm up 3.17. Right, who's it going to be? Murray McKines is up 3.17. Brilliant. Let's ring the horn. He says, I am. Here we go. All right, there we go. He says, I am. Don't have a go at me. All right, let's have a look. Right. Mark Korn, I am. Right. 4.13. That's pretty good. Remember, I started again. You did. I get that. You reset. I get that. All right. Mark Korn is the winner. Mark Korn is one of our members. He's still got a green badge. Just a couple of weeks to go, and your badge will get upgraded. Professor proof needed. Mark, yeah, proof needed. Proof. Yes, we need proof of that. We're not accepting it. I'm accepting it. Dave Mottram is a miserable sod. He won't. It's what he's like, right? But I will accept it because I'm a nice bloke, right? And I'm in charge. It's my show. Send the picture to Martin to validate. Yeah, all right then. Here's my cell phone. If you want to take a screenshot, here's my cell phone. I'm going to trust him. There's my cell phone in the chat in 3, 2, 1. There it is. There's the cell phone. But I'm going to do it. So, first of all, we got to say, thank you very much for sharing your honest trades. By the way, when I announce these things, I want everyone to put in the chat what I'm saying. It's like a little trademark every time. So, you know, it's your show. It is your show. All my catchphrases I want to see pop up in the show. Right, ready? So, okay. Thank you for your honest trades. Thumbs up. And then we've got, of course, let's give Mark a big round of applause. And congratulations to you. There we go. Nice one. Nice one, Mark Korn. I believe you. And Mark Korn says 1 sec. He's going to do it. Mark Korn's going to send it in. Right. Brilliant. Fantastic. Thumbs up. See, Mike's playing along. Mike's playing along. The rest of you are not paying any attention. The rest of you aren't paying attention. I want my catchphrases to come up. The rest of you wasn't even paying attention to that, but that's all right. Don't worry about it. 1.46. I thought I was doing well until Mark Korn comes along and says I'm up 5 million %. It's like, oh, all right then. Right. We've got 23 likes now. Subscribe and ring the bell. Pay attention. I know, Mike, you tell them. They come in here, they sit down, they put the telly on, they watch YouTube. How many of you watch me on TV? In fact, let's do that. Okay, here's a poll for you. Here's a poll, right? How do you watch? So we're gonna have TV. We're gonna have mobile. So iPad. Hang on, we'll do them all. Do them all. iPad, phone, PC. That's it, innit? Computer, iPad, or that's it. That's all there is. That's all the options. I want to see where you all watch me. Discord, Martin. Discord. Go to Discord. Okay. Here he is. Here's Mark Corn on Discord. Has sent me a screenshot. He wanted to be upfront and honest. Let's have a look. We believe him anyway. I believed him. This is for the benefit of Dave Mottram. This is the benefit of Dave Mottram. Where's his biggest gains today? Bitcoin's up 2%. Ethereum's up 3.6%. Is that 50? Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, Mark Corn. Is this your lifetime or your day trading? Because it looks to me, I'm just going to share the screen. It looks to me like this is your overall position, not your day position. I might be wrong, because these positions here says you're up 0.78, you're up 3%, you're up 3%, you're up 2%, but yet it says 50%. I think I might be wrong, but to me that 50% looks like you're overall up 50%, not on the day. Just confirm to me you're using crypto.com. Just confirm to me that that's actually the day position, not your overall. Because it looks to me, I might be wrong, but anyway, just confirm that to me, if that's your day position or your overall. It looks to me it could be his overall position. And if that's the case, you didn't win. And Dave Mottram is right to check you. So we'll just wait to hear what he says. He might be right. He might be right. I haven't got crypto.com to hand at this precise moment. Right. Okay. Pay attention. Let's do that. Yeah, pay attention. With my eyes, I watch. Discord. Yeah, I got that. How's the portfolio, Ryan? Very good. The overall portfolio today is we're up 1%, 1.12. We're just dropping back a little bit, but what the good thing is we've taken a lot of profits off the table. So when it falls back, my money is held safe. 10% of my portfolio is now in cash, which is good. How is the portfolio doing today? Yeah, Riven, I bought 90. I should get out if I break even. Should I get out if I break even? Possibly, yeah. It depends how the balance of your portfolio is. Are you overweighted? Do you have too much? Because I think Rivian could fall a lot more yet. So it might not be a bad idea. That's why I've been trading and making small profits. Profits are profits, right? That looks overall. That's what I thought. No, that's definitely today only. Reinvested yesterday. Okay, we believe him. He's going, look, come on. I'm telling the truth. I am a member of the Day Trader on YouTube with Martyn Lucas. We are an honest family. We don't mess about. So Dave Mottram, leave him alone. I'm glad you are making money. Yeah, we're all making money, aren't we today? I think everybody. Mike, where was your score today? Did you put your score in? Mike, did you put your score in? Let's have a look. Let me scroll up. No, I don't think you did. We've got Mr. Youngquest here this morning. Our youngest investor, just 16 years of age. His birthday's coming up. If he becomes a silver member, we're going to all be invited to his birthday party. He hasn't done that yet, so I don't know. Caden Youngquist, he hasn't done that yet, so he's got no birthday party coming yet. Tesla is moving up. Right, Rivian, I sold off the top. Very, very nice. If it drops down, I'll buy some more. Virgin Galactic, if that goes down, I'll buy some more. What about Hood? That's still lifting up. Nice. So my next set of trades will be at... what have we got left now to trade? We've got SPCE at 1366. We're not going to make there today. Well, you never know, actually, with a market like today. It's very possible. Very possible. Hood is 1733. Hood is 1733. I don't think we're going to get there though. But again, it could do. I've got out of it before the price drops further. Yeah, I mean, nothing wrong with that. Let me explain one thing, right? I have sold at huge losses several times. You don't lose money until you walk away. If you are down in something and you think that it's going to continue to drop, and you're really confident it's going to keep falling and falling and falling and falling, you are absolutely right to sell at a loss. Absolutely. First of all, it's good for your taxes to post a loss, number one. But remember, you can't buy back for 30 days in the same stock, so buy something similar. That's one thing. Number two, if you are here and you're down, right, and then you sell here, you've lost money, okay, but you haven't lost money until you walk away and the fat lady sings, right? You've just sold. And then the stock falls down to here, and you buy back here the same amount of shares that you had at here. Does that make sense? You've now saved all those losses because you've bought the same number of stock for less, so you've saved money. That's a good thing to do. So if you believe in a stock, but at the moment it's selling off, and you know it's going to keep going low, and I've done this. I've done this with Hood, and I've done this with Virgin Galactic. I was down like $2,000 and I sold my Virgin Galactic and I let it fall another 1,000 and I bought the same amount of shares back, but they cost me less. So I saved all that money. I didn't lose all that money. I bought them back at a lower price with the money I had here. So actually, you can still make money doing that. That's the first thing. So, and the other reason is, if you know something is going to fall, and you see something else doing better, your money, even though you've lost, can be working for you on something you know is going up right now, and then you can put it into that, make that profit, sell, and then buy back the other stock again. So there are many, many cases when it is right to sell when you're down and you're losing money. No question. Remember, it's not about one stock. It's about your overall portfolio, your overall balance. This balance here, all that matters. It's not what Rivian is doing and Tesla are doing, is that. That is my pension. That is my money. Is that going up or is that going down? If one stock's down, one stock's up, that's the market. All I care about is that. That is all that matters. So if I sell something that's going down to put it into something that's going up, and this continues to climb, remember, if I decide to retire today, I sell all my stocks, whether they're down, whether they're up, doesn't matter. That is what I've got. And that is all that counts. That's all that counts. So sell stocks when they're down is not a bad thing. When people say, the very first thing they tell you when you day trade, they say, buy low, sell high. That's a very simplistic, elementary, kindergarten school statement. That is not the full picture, because if it was that simple, everybody would win all the time. Well, I'll buy low and I'll sell high then. All right, well, it doesn't work that way. All right, that's not how it works. Right, Tesla is now moving up. Rivian is now moving up again. Now, you might say, but you sold a minute ago. You've missed out on all these rises. No, I didn't. I sold out. I got some money out to protect it from going down because Rivian right now could drop further. I've still got, and also I trimmed off. I don't want 20% of my money in Rivian. That's ridiculous. 20% of all your money in one stock. That's ridiculous. On a brand new company that's just come out. That's ridiculous. That's silly. That would be just bad management. So I've trimmed off the top, and I made. What did I make? Was it $60? I don't know. $60 profit? Well, that's $60 profit I didn't have before, and I've got all my money back. And when it drops again, I'll buy again. Now, if it keeps going up to $1 million, you might go, oh, you missed out. Yeah, but it could have gone the other way. And for the last month, it's been going the other way. So as long as I'm up, I'm up. And remember, this portfolio was built and designed to be up. If I slept for 6 months, would it be up? Yes, it would. I don't have to day trade. I could just turn all this off and come back in 6 months and I'd be up, right? SPCE, let's have a look now what's going on. Martin, what are the worldwide markets doing? I like the fact you asked that question. Murray from Scotland. Here are the global markets. And the fact you asked that is great. I love it. So let me go over to the global market. There we go. Here is the global market right now. And New Zealand was down today. They've closed now. Australia was after them, down 0.77. The Nikkei was down 1.78. Hong Kong was down 0.03. But as we come into Europe, we're up. In Germany, the FTSE in the UK up, and now we've moved into the US. Now, the US right now is showing down. But as you can see, I am up today because that is the overall market, the S&P 500, the New York Stock Exchange. My stocks are heavily weighted in future technologies. So I'm much more high risk. So I see much greater gains than the average. The average you want to get on the stock market overall is 10%. 10% a year would be good. All right. I've seen way higher gains than that because I'm more involved with high risk stocks. But that's my choice. That's my choice. So there you go. Let's have a look. Mark, but you missed a couple of letter, Mark. It's not HR, it's HMRC. That's correct. We have Dave playing Don Rickles, our favourite heckler of the day. We have Dave playing Don Rickles, our favourite heckler of the day, Trader Show. There he is. Forget about the tax man. He's like the Monopoly man. Yeah. That's brilliant, Martin. Thank you very much. What's brilliant, Alan? Are you a member yet? Is Alan Pate a member? He's not, is he? I don't think Alan... No, he's not. Shall we invite... Because this is like, you know, we don't invite anyone. Shall we invite Alan Pate to become a member of the channel? He's not a member, is he? He hasn't got a badge. He hasn't got any of the perks. He can't win the cash prizes. He doesn't get any of the benefits. What's going on? Let's invite Alan Pate to become a member. Dave Mottram. Government taxes. There you go. Can you look at Roku? I can. Are you a fan of Roku? Are you? Roku TV? Yeah. Can you look at Roku? What do I think of Roku? I don't use it. I don't subscribe to it. So obviously I'm not a fan of it. But I'll have a look at it for you. Roku TV. Right. When did it IPO? When did it come out? How long has it been around? It came out 2017. It had the usual bounce. It's growing, growing, growing. Oops, there we go, there we go. All the way down here. I wouldn't invest in Roku. I wouldn't invest in Roku. I know what you're saying, that it's really low right now, so why not? But the reason why I wouldn't invest in Roku is I think that the market is flooded with streaming services. There are too many to choose from. So anyone could be wiped out at any moment. Anyone could be replaced at any moment. That wouldn't be an investment for me. I'm not saying you can't make money on it. You might know better than me, but I wouldn't invest in Roku. As I always lose on the tech stock markets, the taxman will never be after me. In fact, he should be giving me a rebate. Yeah, that's all right then. Dave, that's a swear word. Yeah. It is a swear word. Stop using it. Looks like it could grow again. Yeah, it could grow again. I mean, you're absolutely right. Roku and Netflix are the top platforms, I believe. Yeah, you could be right. But the thing is, why I invest in Tesla is because it's innovative and it stands out. It stands out. It can't be copied or duplicated because the way they're structured and the way they feel, they are on their own. Virgin Galactic, they are on their own. Apple, they're on their own. I don't want to be in a market. It's why I don't invest in Netflix. It's why I don't invest in any of those type companies, because I'm not saying that they don't make money, and I'm sure they do. But at the end of the day, do you want to invest in a company that everybody else does the same thing and it's completely open? It can be destroyed at a minute's notice. It can be replaced at a minute's notice. That's, for me, why I wouldn't invest in one of those type of companies. I mean, that's only my thoughts. You might feel differently, and that's absolutely fine, but that's the way I feel about it. I like ADSK. They're such a high-quality company. They may well be. But in a heartbeat, everyone could leave their channel and go to something else. YouTube TV could replace them in a heartbeat. Right, let me have a look at the poll. Most of you are watching me on a PC. 35%, 30% on an iPhone, only 25% on TV, 10% on an iPad. So iPad is the lowest, iPhone is the second, and PC is the top. That's interesting. So it's between, it's pretty much phone and computer, isn't it? That kind of makes sense. Phone and a computer take 65% of the market. That makes sense. All right, let's end the poll. Thanks for the vote. 20 votes. Look at that. Everyone voted. Brilliant. Everyone voted. Let me end the poll. There we go. Can you check ADSK2, please? I'm at school and can't. All right. He's at school. I like it. He's at school, and I'm doing his trading for him. 46,000 today. Brilliant. Green day. Love it. ADSK. Autodesk. I am working with you on my web browser in the background. In the background, Dave Mottram. I don't want him in the background. Don't put baby in a corner. How am I in the background? Haha, thanks. There, you're very welcome. Autodesk. Look at this. This Caden Youngquist, he switched on, right? He's at school right now. He's actually at school right now in his classroom, and I'm like on the desk on his iPhone or something like that, so he can see what's going on with Autodesk. I mean, seriously, what is going on here? And how come you're at school? How come you're allowed to be on your iPhone? Who's next to you? I want to talk to your friends. Right? Caden Youngquist, what I want you to do, I want you to, when you get a break, I want you to call in on the show, because are you a member yet? Yes, you are. Right. As a member, you can call in onto the show. Look, this is the interview screen. Right? You can be in this gap here, and I want you to call into the phone, into the studio with all your mates at school. So I want you in the middle and all your friends at school. So I want at least 10 of you all around your camera, your phone, call into the show, and you'll all be on it and we'll wave to you. All right? This is the call in button. Only members can use this. Only members, please. It's bit.ly/Martyn Live. All these links, by the way, are in the all links button. And they're also below all the videos. All right? So there you go. There is bit.ly/Martyn Live. Only members can use that. You need a device like a phone or a computer or an iPad. It needs a microphone and a camera. And you can call in and you'll be in that position there. So when you take a break, I want you and all your mates around the camera, I want you to say, hello, the day trader. And I'll say hello back, and we'll make you famous. And if you become a silver member, of course, we'll promote your business for you as well. But as a bronze member, we'll just say hello to you. Is that all right? Is that good? I think it's good, isn't it? I think that's good. There you go. Let's go back to the trading screen right now. And here we go. Do that for him. Tesla's just dropping back now. We're waiting to buy a nice bit of Tesla if we can. Rivian is now just falling back, which is perfect. Sounds good. Sounds good. Absolutely. I want you with all your mates. All right? And if you become a sponsor or if you become a silver member, we'll put your YouTube channel below as well and your business links, whatever it is as well. But anyway, Gores Guggenheim is up 2%. Lucid is now falling back. Great. Hood going sideways now. We haven't got another trade there yet today. Palantir is moving up. PayPal is up today, 1.69. Immersion, I haven't made any money with that one yet. On is up 12%. I've only got one share of that though, so it's not hardly a profit, is it? Rolls-Royce is up 28%. I could take some profits off Rolls-Royce, but there's another way of looking at it, 28%. Let's have a look. Rolls-Royce, over the year, it's been doing that. Yeah, no, we've not bounced back yet. I'm going to leave my Rolls-Royce there. I'm expecting some good things in the future with Rolls-Royce. Boeing, We're down 13%, no profit there. Apple, we're up $108. No, not doing anything there yet. Down 0.5%. Not really yet. Johnson & Johnson. No, not yet. Google. No, I'd like to get more Google. I'd like to have a full share of Google. That would be very, very nice, wouldn't it? Like one share of Google. But I don't have that at the moment. Coca-Cola. I tell you one thing to look at. I've not looked at it for ages. How is Amazon, by the way? I used to hold Amazon. Where's Amazon right now? Let's go over the year. Let's have a little look. Yeah, it's been flat this year. It's not a bad time to buy it, look. Over the last 3 months, it's down. Over the last month, it's down. Yeah, Amazon's not making much money now, is it? Yeah, Amazon's not making very much money. It's done great, but over the last year, it's pretty much flattened out. It's not making much right now. Looks like it's topped out. But anyway, you can decide where to go. What are we watching now? So what we're looking for now is our next trading position. If we drop down any more, I've got plenty of money now on standby that I could buy into. So we're waiting to see the opportunities present themselves. Let's have a look. Hey, we've just gained another subscriber now. We're 1,933. So we're very, very close now to 2,000 subscribers. Let me share with the screen with you. This is it. Look, 1,933. We're getting very, very close now to the 2,000 mark. That's very exciting as well. Very, very exciting. All right. And that call-in button goes to any of my members. If you're a member, you can call in. Another one of your perks, you can actually call in. If you want to call in and have a quick chat, tell me what you're doing, tell me what you're trading, and if you've got a YouTube channel, you can promote it. You can call in for a couple of minutes. If any of my members want to call in, here is the link once again. You have to be a member, but this is the call-in button. It's bit.ly/Martyn Live. You have to be a member. You can call in and you can say, hello, my name is WEBULL, and I'm a member, and I love the YouTube channel, and everyone subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do that, but you have to be a member for that privilege, because it is a privilege, folks. It's a privilege. You know it. And you'll be in that space right there. Okay? Is that good? Can you believe it? Can you believe this is real? Can you believe this happens? Streaming service, not Prime service. Netflix has just lost. Netflix has just lost off top streaming titles from their Prime service. Sorry, from their streaming service. See what I mean? Netflix all of a sudden loses. This is why it's for me. I'm not going to invest in a company that can be replaced in a heartbeat. It can. Anyone can. I can. I mean, this YouTube channel, right? Most loyal members, you follow me every day. You could unsubscribe as quick as that. You could leave. If I did something to offend anyone, if I did something bad, you could all leave in a heartbeat. There'd be nothing I could do about it. I go from the biggest YouTube channel in the world to nothing overnight. So, very high risk. Very, very high risk. You might go, no, it's not high risk. You're great. You do a good job. And Netflix does a good job, whatever. But the point is, it can be replaced. It's very, very easy. We got a bit of a bargain coming on for Tesla, maybe. Let's have a look. Let's pan out. And the lowest we've been is 899 back in December. Look at that. Are we going down there again? Could be an opportunity to buy in with Tesla. We'll keep our eye on that one. Rivian is falling. I want to get back. Oh, no, I don't. I don't want. Well, I'd buy some more Rivian if it goes down lower. SPCE, I'm looking for a buy-in. Ooh, nice. If that goes down to 11, I'll do it. Lucid. We're also looking for a buy-in if that goes lower as well, and we'll do that. Hood, if that goes down, we'll buy in there again. So we're looking at a few opportunities here, and it's gone perfectly because I've made money on all of those today. So if we can buy all these dips and do it again, that would be very, very nice. Awesome stuff. Let's have a look. Did our friend, the Vapors Guide, get more subscribers? He had 40. Did anyone subscribe to him? Let's have a look. He's on 40. I think all of you've already done it, right? I'll give you his link again. He's one of my gold members, so he gets promoted on my homepage and regular little drops in the chat. There you go. There is his YouTube. There is his YouTube channel. Good stuff. Right. We're falling back down again now. Tesla's dropping back down. Slight bit of buffering again today. Don't know why. It's issues with YouTube. It's not my end. I can't control it, I'm afraid. Tesla's falling down. So we did well this morning. We took a lot of profit off the table. It's actually perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm very, very happy with that. That worked out very, very well. Absolutely perfect. Worked out very well. Rivian, yeah, all these now dropping back down. So that worked out perfectly this morning. Very, very happy with that. Even though we are dropping back down again, we've increased our profits into our $4,100 in our buying power. That was great. I'm very happy with that. That's why you need to trade and sell and take money off the top. Because as this portfolio falls down, 10% of my money isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's going up because I get 2.5% interest on my cash that I hold on Robinhood. If you've just joined me, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a thumbs up. And also, if you want to be a member of the channel and get many of the benefits and perks, here is the invitation. And we also have lots of offers today to give away to you on WEBULL. We have 5 free stocks. Is the New York man in today? He became a gold member yesterday. He's not here today. He's probably at work. It's where most people should be, right? Anyway, let's have a look. Tesla down. Let's see if I can get a bargain with Tesla today. Rivian is going back down again, but not low enough yet. Virgin Galactic down. Starting to move down again. Gores Guggenheim just edging back. Everything is edging back at the moment. Robinhood moving up again. We got a trade potentially in Robinhood. That may come off if I can just get it up to my trading position is, where is it? Is 1733. That's a way to go actually though. 1366 is Virgin Galactic. Yeah, that's a way off as well. So we're looking to buy in again. A few sell-offs in Ford. Murray McKine's. It's going to look at Ford. I told you that Ford is only a short-term trade for me. I don't believe it's a company of the future. I don't. I really, really don't. I know it's making money now and everyone's going, it's great, it's great, it's great. I'm just stuffing my fat face. What you eating, mate? What are you eating? Oh, by the way, during the show as well, for members only again, you can send in via text pictures. If you are doing something right now, you have to have your mug. You have to have some day trader merchandise. Take a picture of yourself doing something, right? So if you're stuffing your face like Mark Corn and you're trading, show a picture of you, the mug, you know what you're doing, the day trader channel, whatever, eating your biscuits, whatever you're doing, and send them in. All right. So there you go. Yeah, Ford has been doing well this year, phenomenal. But I'm not currently in it. What you chopping on, Mark? 23.60. Yeah, so it's down. It's down the past week, but then everything is, right? So I'm not worried about that. A bit of a sell-off this morning. Yeah. I think, you know, you could have suddenly sell-offs with Ford. I think it's overvalued right now. I don't think it will hold the ground that that Tesla is making up day by day. That's my theory anyway. The live position now, we're shooting back up again. We had a bit of a sell-off. And now we're going back up again. Chicken curry, Dave. Chicken curry, oh lovely. Chicken curry. So we're coming to the end of the show. 10 minutes to go. Another of Martyn's sayings for members only. It is for members only. Flipping right. For members only. If you're not a member, bugger off. It ain't for you. You got to be a member. This ain't a flipping. I don't know. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know what the word is. Yeah, just a chicken curry, microwave meal. I ain't that rich yet. Hey, nothing wrong with a microwave meal. Don't put down the microwave meals. Lucid. I'm just waiting for a. Position this morning. I'm looking to buy back in with Robinhood if it collapses. Sounds nice. I could have some curry right now. Ooh, bloody right. I tell you what my wife makes. She makes the best. In fact, she makes lots of best things actually. But one thing she makes the best is fried eggs on toast. Yeah, we have in the house, right? Behind the studio, through the magic curtain, through there's a magic curtain, and I have my very own cafe. It's called Cafe de Lucas, Cafe della Luca, and it's open from time to time by Leah, and I go out there and I say, "Oh, Leah, is the Cafe della Luca open? Is the Cafe della Luca open?" And she'll go, "Yeah. What do you want?" And I'll go, "Can I have a fried egg on toast?" And I get a fried egg on toast with a cup of tea. How about that? How many of you have your very own cafe in your houses? I bet not many of you have that. My wife's American and it's called Southern Hospitality. So I just got to go into Cafe della Luca and put my order in, and it's brilliant. It's like a magic trick. It's like a magic trick. Like a fried egg on toast appears on the counter from Cafe della Luca. I tell you what, it's amazing. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. I may get the chef to make some tonight. Dave Mottram's got a chef. Is it a cafe though? Has it got his own name? Cafe della Luca is a real thing. It's like if you Google it on a map, it comes up, the Cafe della Luca. No, it doesn't. I'm only joking. So is there a Cafe della Mottram? All right, we're waiting for Tesla to drop a bit more. We'll buy back some more if we can. Rivian, we're waiting for it to drop back down again to buy some more and do it again. SPCE, we've got plenty of stock shares in that, but if it goes lower, we'll have a little pop at that as well. Sam Laidler's here. I wish. Well, you know what you got to do, Sam. When I met you and your lady friend, what you got to do is marry her. If you marry her, you might be lucky, and you might get a Cafe della Laidler. Cafe della Laidler. But you have to marry her first, mate. She's not going to cook you eggs on toast if you don't marry her, mate. I mean, that's the way it goes. And if you marry her, I want to be at the wedding. No, just a coffee maker. Send some this way, Dave. Can't beat HP brown sauce on a fried egg and toast. Oh, look at that, Dave. He's a brown sauce man. Brown sauce Dave. It's brown sauce Dave, everybody. I hope it's brought to you by the butler. I hope it's brought to you by the butler, Dave Mottram. Is it, El? Dave Mottram ain't coming around here. I'm not giving Dave Mottram my address. He'd come round here and kick up and moan and stuff like that. I can't have negative energy in the house. I can't have negative energy in the house. Anyway, we're waiting for our next position. Awesome stuff. Let me just let me do this because no one's given me any super chats today. You are rubbish today. I need my Mr. New York. Mr. New York yesterday did super chats. We got no super chats. There we go. The day trader just donated $93. How about that? And he became a member. Look at that. And he subscribed. Look at that. Can you believe it? Unbelievable. She can't even boil water correctly. Oh, Sam, what's going on? I hope she's not listening, mate. Otherwise, you're going to be in trouble. You're going to be in trouble today, coming out with statements like that. You always got to appreciate your lady. Don't say she can't cook, mate, because if you say that, you'll get nothing. That'll be you out on your ear. So you behave yourself. It doesn't look like there's going to be a Cafe de la Leila coming to Texas soon. All right, Rivian, we're waiting for some new positions to present themselves. You know when George Clooney says the fish will gather again for the Andrea Gale, the stocks will gather again for the day trader. The stocks will gather again for the day trader. That's what it's all about. Now your name could flash up like that on the screen if you become a member. If not, no, I'm only joking. You don't have to become a member to do a super chat. That's free. And becoming a member. Correct, the butler does serve. Oh, the butler does serve, does he? I'm like Carson. You know, Mr. Carson, I'm always in trouble. Yeah, you are, Sam. If you come on this show, mate, and start talking bad about your girlfriend, you're definitely going to be in trouble. And by the way, when are you going to send in a picture of your lady with one of these? You said to me you were going to order these leggings and your lady was going to do some modelling for us. When's that going to happen? When is that going to happen? Look, Patty April's got these. Look, it looks like you're going to be beaten by an Italian, mate. Look, these are Patty April's. Look, she's actually got a name on them. When are you going to do this? When are you going to send a picture of your wife in modelling these day trader leggings? Sounds like a sofa material. What sounds like a sofa material? Cafe de la Leila? Cafe de la Leila? Sounds like what? Sounds like a flipping... It doesn't sound like a flipping... Look, you can even get... I can't believe you've not got one of these yet. We've even got Bitcoin. Look, I mean, seriously. And this is legal stuff. I'm allowed to do this. Right, this is a proper thing. I've got here permission to do. Bitcoin on a sweatshirt signed by me. Oh yeah, even on a beer mug. Look at that. Who wants that one for Christmas? Anyway, let's go back to the trades. Sounds like a sofa material. I don't know how it sounds like a sofa material. I don't know how Cafe de la Leila sounds like a sofa material. Lucid is moving back up again. Tesla is pushing back up. My overall portfolio is on the live position. Let's have a look at it. Up 0.68 on the hour. Let's check our Bitcoin position. Bitcoin is now down 1% today. Do you know what? Not a bad time to get into Bitcoin right now. 41. Bitcoin 41. I might buy some Bitcoin if it drops to 39 again. In fact, I will. I'll keep that on. I'll keep that to hand. Ethereum as well. Might be a time to get some Ethereum as well. I'm looking at lowering my averages on these crypto stocks. So yeah, that's on the cards. That's on the cards. All right, we're coming to the last few minutes of the show before we take a short break. You never know, Cafe Della Luca might be open. I can't expect it. You don't know. God can't believe you're taking your Christmas 20. Yeah, you're talking about. Yeah, I am, Dave. I'm talking about 2022 Christmas. I am, because I'm trying to get you to buy a. I'm trying to get you to order a set of leggings. I'm trying to get you to order a set of leggings. That's what I'm trying to get you to do. So I need to mention it early, because I know what you're like. You'll take your time on it. No, picking on his other half sounds like. No, picking on his other half sounds like on the sofa material. Oh, I see. Oh, I got you now. I bet he's got his tree up already. No, I do not. Dave, believe a bubble, it's flipping January. I do not have my Christmas tree up. That's just ridiculous. That's going over the top. Coming in making statements like that is just ridiculous. Who has their Christmas tree up in January? I don't. Anyway, it's time to end the show. And you know what that means? You know what that means? For members only, we have the 24-hour stream. It's about to start. I'm going to give you all the link right now for the 24/7. So what we're doing, we're adding new features all the time. It's very new right now. It's very new. There's new stuff being added all the time. We're going to have lots of indicators and stuff like that. When to buy, when to sell, all that kind of stuff. And the beauty of it is, it's designed for you for chatting 24/7. So you can all come in and talk to each other. When I'm off air, this will start. It starts within a few minutes. So I'm just going to get it ready now. Hi all. There we go. I've copied it. So here is the thing here. And if you have this running in the background, there's no commercials on this. It starts with a commercial, but there's no ads running through it. It's seamless, and you can come on in. Here's the link right now. It starts in a couple of minutes. Within a minute of this show ending, it starts. Okay, it starts, and I won't want the leggings. I want the legs inside the leggings. That's fair enough. I get what you're saying there, mate. I get what you say. You want the leg in the leggings. You don't want the leggings. Oh, there you go. I get where you're coming from. So, right. There is the link. And you can go and chat in there. So basically what you do is, if someone reports a buy or a sell, something dramatic happens, all the day traders have in real time a live way to communicate to each other. All right? So let me just start it now. All right, here we go. I'm going to start it now. It's all ready to go. Why is that not showing up? Oh, I see. I didn't put one after the show. That's a bit naughty, isn't it? Oh, I see. All right, I see. I got it. I haven't set one up. Oh, here he is. Smash the like button, Robert. Oh, yeah, here he is. Here's Mr. Smash. Mr. Smash has just arrived. Here he is. We like to make people feel welcome, right? He's just turned up and he gets a Mr. Smash. There we go. Murray McKine, smash the like button, Robert. I love it. I love it. It's all good. Well, we got a couple more minutes to go. I'm going to extend the show by a few minutes because there's a couple of things I want to do before we go. I might have a position here to trade again. So stick with me. I'm not finished yet. There's more excitement coming down the line. There's more excitement, folks. There's more excitement. You thought that was the end of the show. You thought there was no more excitement. Well, guess what? There's more excitement. There's more excitement coming. We've done well today. We've made money. We're in the green. And there's more excitement. The portfolio is now up 0.5% today. But the most important thing is we've managed to take a lot of profit out. And that's the most important thing. If you look at it now, look, there's $4,100 in my buying power. Absolutely awesome. So there we go. We've made a lot of moves this morning. A lot of trades. Made some money. And we're still climbing. Even though some of our money is out of our position. And that's really what it's about. This is really, really good news today. So... excuse me, folks. So what we're doing now is I'm setting up. You're late, Robert. Yes, he is. He's always late. It's what he does it on purpose. He does it on purpose, folks. I'm just going to tell you that. You think he's late, he's got a problem. He's not. He does it on purpose. He sits around and waits on the sidelines, and then he comes in, so we all make a big fuss out of him. He likes the attention. He's from Dallas, Texas. He's a cowboy. He likes the attention. He likes it. He's a bronze member. In fact, let's bring up all. We got our new members. Overnight, we had new members. Let's bring them in. First of all, our gold members. Look, there you go. Let's bring in our new members. Very, very exciting. We're watching our position go up again now. Very, very good. We're waiting for another trade. And we could get it in a minute, the way things are going. Could be, was that be our 4th trade of the day? I'm very excited. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. This is why you've got to hold your positions, but at the same time, do your day trades as well. So that way you can make profits even when everything's down. It's very, very important. It's been a tough couple of weeks for me. I've been actually waiting to make these positions, but I've done 3 today, and I'm looking to make a 4th trade. If I get chance to, I certainly will. I am from Dallas. He's not wrong. See, he's a cowboy. He's a proper like American, Texan. He likes the attention. He loves it. He feeds on it. It's smash the like Robert. He was going to have a T-shirt made, but he decided he couldn't afford it. He never confirmed with me. It's like $30 for his own T-shirt with his own name on it. Seriously, and he didn't want it. He decided, nah, I ain't got it. I ain't doing it. He never came back to me, so I never made it. And I'm not going to make it. Maybe he's trying to win it from Muzanella. That's what he's trying to do. He's trying to win it from Muzanella. He's hoping if I hold out, I might win it. So that's what I reckon. That's what I reckon he's going to do. I reckon he thinks if I just hold out, eventually I'll win it. Well, you won't. Smash the like Robert. I can't believe we come up with that. I don't know how that even started. I don't know who started that. All right. We're getting ready for another trade here. Look at that portfolio now lifting up. It's very, very nice. Very, very excited I am. What is driving it up? It's Tesla moving up again. Rivian is moving up again. And Virgin Galactic's moving up again. So we might have a trade here coming up. I like cowboys. there you go. You'd love Robert Durant then. Oh, 1650. Okay, we're getting close to that trade. The trade is Hood 1733. Not that far away now. A days like today, that could easily kick in. I could see that kicking in. So it could happen. Days like today, you can see 5-10% rises because we've oversold the market now for weeks. So that, you know, that money I made over 5 months could come back within hours. It's not likely to just do that, but it could. And it has done. And the idea is you want to pick up some stock to trade. You're still keeping your main position, whether it's 5%, 6%, 7%, whatever of your portfolio, which is about right for your stocks. And then you add a little bit to it in which you're prepared to sell. You're prepared to sell. There's stocks that you've got purposely to sell. That's the whole point of it, right? So you always want to keep some on hand there. All right. Well, I've been talking to you. I've been setting up the 24-hour stream. For some reason, I missed one out. I didn't put one in. So I'm doing that now. So when we end this show, straight away, within a minute, there will be the 24-hour stream. And the purpose of it is, I know it's new right now, but the purpose of it is, it's for members only to chat when there are breaking news stories to share with everybody, right? And it runs 24/7. Okay, so the idea is, when I'm not on air, this is running. And if you say, hey, Tesla's crashed, or Bitcoin's exploding, or Elon Musk has just said this, you can write it into the live chat. Everybody can see it and react on it. It's a great thing. And there's no commercials going to run through the middle of it. It's just, there's a commercial when it first starts, but once it starts, that's it. And there's some quiet background music in the background, a bit of piano music. Yeah. Seem to be getting a bit of buffering again today. It's beyond my control. It's actually it's YouTube. It's nothing to do with me right now. Yeah, we are buffering. It does seem we are buffering a little bit. Right, Robinhood now is picking up. Is everybody else getting buffering, or is it just me? I wonder what's causing this at the moment. Is everybody still with me? We've got a slight bit of buffering going on. I think there are some issues with YouTube. We know that a global situation. Everybody's talking about it, so it's beyond my control at the moment. But I do apologise if it's interrupting your broadcast. Virgin Galactic is just dropping down. We're looking to make a trade there. Gores Guggenheim is lifting up. Rivian is lifting up. I wonder, just thought of something actually. I wonder if it's that. The program. I wonder if it's the program. Let's see if I change that. It's not. It's no spend January because I am upgrading my place and it's around 3. Oh dear. Oh, but I will get one next month. I will get one next month, he says. Let's see if it's that. I've just made a couple of adjustments. It might not make a difference, but let's see if it does. I've just turned one thing off to see if it makes any difference at all. Rivian is now lifting back up again. Oh, the portfolio is up 1.16. Buffering here as well. I am here. Yeah, thanks, guys. Yeah, we've had a bit of... Thanks, Dave, for doing your moderation thing. I appreciate that, mate. Very good. Thank you very much for doing your, yeah, buffering again. I've just turned off something. I wanted to see if it make a difference. But I have been informed by Restream and YouTube that there is issues. At 1.29 now. I want to see... if we get... I want to see if that fixes it. I've just turned off programming to send it out. I don't know. I wonder. We'll see in a minute if that makes any difference. Okay. We are now looking at the live position. The live position now is just shot up 1% in the last few minutes, actually. I wonder what's making those biggest moves. Bitcoin, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has just shot up 1.37. Remember I said to you I was going to buy around 40. So I might have missed the boat now. Who knows? This could be the bounce we've been waiting for, because it's going to come. I'm really confident of that. Ethereum has done the same thing. Look, all of a sudden, look at that. Ethereum has just lifted up in the last few minutes. Let's see how that goes. It could well start to pump. We are going to get it to pump soon. Everything goes up just as you're closing your show. Yeah, I know. Well, it's been a good morning, actually. There's been a very good morning. Wow, we're really lifting up now. Look at this. It's great. Really great. And I've got 10% of my money in cash now. I've taken a lot of money out today. I made some profits just to protect myself. And it's looking very, very tasty, isn't it? Looking very, very nice. Very, very excited about it, actually. It's a good day. We've done very, very well today. I'm really, really happy with what's going on right now. And never feel bad either about taking money off the top. It's always good to take some money off the top, sell something. Let's bring in our bronze members today as well. Let me bring this in here. There we go. We got some new members added overnight. Thank you very much indeed for that. I wonder if that's fixed the problem. I've made a few adjustments. And I'll be interested to see if that fixes it. I'll be right back in a second, guys. I'm just plugging something else in. Okay. I wonder if now how it's doing. I've just turned something off. And I'll be very interested to see if that makes a difference.